Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'm going to tell you what you can do if Snapchat is not working in your device Z Flip 4 and Z Fold 4. So if you're facing any problem related to Snapchat in Z Flip 4 and Z Fold 4, you can fix it by following the few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you are the first one to know when I upload anything new. Now watch this video and you will learn how you can fix any problem related to Snapchat in your device.